Have you noticed how those short historical videos on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok are getting millions of views lately? It's crazy how easy they are to make. Yet, they're so engaging. There are even channels that have blown up in just 5 months by telling a story of historical figures using the power of AI. In this video, I'll show you how to recreate these videos so you can attract some views across social media platforms. To get started, we'll need a few things like ChatGPT to help with the script, AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, and a video editing software such as Premiere Pro or CapCut. We'll also use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or DubDub. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step tutorial. The first thing to do is create the script. I'll explain 2 methods of doing this. The first method involves using ChatGPT, but I recommend using the second method. First, choose a video that you like and copy its URL. Then go to the website DubDub and use the transcribe feature to convert the spoken words in the video into text. After that, head back to the ChatGPT and ask it to rephrase the text for you. This way you'll have a script that's ready and optimized to have a better chance of becoming popular on the platform you're using. Next, we'll generate the image and B-roll. I recommend using Midjourney for this task, but if you can't afford it, you can use Leonardo instead. You can find a PDF file down below with some of the prompts you can use. Feel free to keep generating until you find the right images and styles for your video. After that, it's time to make the voice recording. There are many tools that use AI to change text into a speech. And for this video, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Once you've generated the voice, it's time to edit the video and enhance it to the best of our ability. Import the voice and images into CapCut and start editing. Add transitions and animations to make the video more interesting. You can also add music and captions to make it more engaging. And that's it. Now you know how to create those historical videos that are getting millions of views. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to comment. I answer every comment.